concerned about the environment, but feeling overwhelmed by all the issues out there? Not to worry, the condition of our environment is a worldwide issue. Your small contribution can make a big impact.
The 3R is a key factor to produce less waste. Reduce. Reduce the amount and toxic trash you throw away. Reuse. Reuse containers and products. Recycle. Recycle as much as possible and buy products with recycled content.
As a citizen, you can play the right role to control maximum pollution by following the 3 R's. You can discover different ways to keep the environment clean, green, and healthy.